My name is Casey Jones. I am the Vice President for Plant Operations and Assets for Presbyterian Senior Living out of Pennsylvania. We chose TheWorxHub because at that time, some of my sites were on paper and other sites did have an electronic system that we were displeased with. We vetted about 8 different systems until we landed on the TheWorxHub system, and we were really impressed with the menu of options that are offered in the different modules, so you could find what fit best to each of our locations and as an organization. We use the mobile application with our work order system. We found that we've achieved a greater success in timeliness and response, completion of work orders, because my staff, once they leave, we can give them updates. They can go and continue to do their work without having to come back. And some of my campuses are very large, so time and distance is a factor. With the mobile application, it's fast, it's efficient. My staff actually love it. It is working really well for us as an organization. Across our continuum, we have 108 maintenance staff. And by using a system like this, it allows us to look at reports that show how much work order we're doing by location, by campus, by staff member, and it's helping us to identify efficiencies or the absence of them to know where to put our attention. We've also done reports that we've presented up to senior leadership to say, this is how many work orders we are doing. You know, put the spin on it. It's not so much about maybe what's outstanding, but what we are getting done. And then we've actually used the reports then to support the replacement of assets, end of life. You know, historically to that, I had 108 maintenance guys with 108 opinions about what needs to be replaced. Now we actually have the data that says, here's the time, money, and effort we're putting into equipment, and it's time to replace it. We are really excited about how the Dude Solutions continues to change, how they take their clients' recommendations and requests, and they actually take them seriously to implement them, to bring them to the table to help it make it better for us. You know, as we continue to grow in our environment with senior care, there's a lot of technology that's coming to bear every single day. Staying in front of it is important. It's not about, are you current today? It's how can you be current tomorrow? And the Dude Solutions products, I think, are a leader in that. And we need to be more efficient. My staff need to be more efficient. And this really helps us get there. Anybody who's out there looking for an opportunity, vetting different systems, I'd absolutely recommend the Dude Solutions family of suites and opportunities. No matter what industry they're in, I absolutely recommend it to anybody.